Loosen the dipstick first. Put the motor here at an angle. Help the oil drain. 16 millimeter. There we go. Here, just kind of be careful. Kind of keep your hand on the boat so you won't drop it or lose it. There we go. Really? Yeah, that definitely needed an oil change. We've been running. Let it drip a long time, long time. I'm talking about just go in the house and just sit down for a few minutes. Get you one of these type oil filter wrenches. I forget the size, but just bring the oil filter into a auto shop and tell them it's almost like a motorcycle sized one or something. Okay. Yeah. This oil really looks good, man. Golly, it just doesn't look bad at all. Actual genuine oil filter from Tohatsu. That's what I get. Old trick. Get a little oil, put it around there. I always want to do that. My daddy taught me that when I was a little boy. Always put your little something there. I use 10W40 with this motor. It's just a thick oil motor. Take a little bit of your oil here, not a lot, just to pour it right down in there. Not a whole lot, just like a couple of teaspoons or something. That way when you go to crank it up again, that oil filter is not completely, dry. You got something in there. Okay. And put it in there and just start cranking. There we go. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. Now don't force it. Take your time. You're working on motors, always take your time. Don't be in such a rush to do something. It says torque it to 13 foot-pounds or pound-foot. There we go. There we go. So take your fingers, push it in here and hold it. Double tap. That's 13 foot-pounds. Really? There we go. If you get stuck, just tap it a couple times, it'll be fine. And that's 13 foot-pounds. It's a little tighter than you might think. All right, now, take your bolt. Now the bolt here, we're going to tighten it up to 17 foot-pounds. Put it back in, make sure not to cross-thread it. It goes in pretty easily. Okay. Oh, let the motor go that way. One, two, double tap. Now you take the rest of your oil and put it in here. All you need is 1 quart of oil, exactly 1 quart of oil. If you don't feel too comfortable about putting it in here, get you a funnel. Check, see, the oil level is good. And we're right between the hash marks. Right between the hash marks. Ready to run, baby. Okay. take your old oil and your old filter, put them in a certified tank like this. Boy, that's black. Boy, we've been running that motor. Okay. And then take this to a local auto parts store like an AutoZone. Have them dump it, and that way you can dispose of it safely without causing any damage to groundwater or anything like that.